Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your paperless employee Whataburger account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply copy paste paperless employee Whataburger and hit on enter right now. This right here is the link that you would like to open. This is the link of paperless employee Whataburger. Likewise, you can also type the link paperlessemployee.com and hit a slash. Right after that, type Whataburger and hit on enter right now. This will open up the same login page. Right now you just have to enter your user ID and your password as well. In case you forgot your user ID or password, here are the buttons. Simply click on them and follow the prompts to regain access to your account. If everything is okay, simply click on this login button right now and you will be redirected to your account. Well guys, that's it for the video. This is how you log into your paperless employee Whataburger account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.